Hey there, it's Asia Ray, ARG founder here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about self-tapes today. A lot of you are probably creating self-tape setups in your home because so many audition opportunities are coming in via self-tape, so we don't have to go to the casting office, but we want to have a setup that's going to really work for us and going to help us have the most success in our auditions, right? So, in my opinion, a lot of actors are really rigid about their self-tape setup. They're like, I have to have this camera, I have to have this lighting, I have to have this specific color self-tape blue backdrop. And I would encourage you to just relax about that a little bit. The thing that's most important about a self-tape, first of all, is your performance. So if your acting is crappy, your tape could look absolutely perfect and sound absolutely gorgeous, and it's not gonna matter. So focus on performance first. All right, really getting into that story and being there. Now, let's talk about self-tape setup. So I want to show you mine. Step into my office. So self-tape blue is not actually the best color for Asia Ray Coleman. It's just not. I don't look that good on self-tape blue. So I've actually chosen a backdrop that looks really good. This color is called Orchid. And I actually had my colors done recently. Shout out to yourcolorguru.com. ARG pros actually get a discount on color consultations with Your Color Guru. And she does an online consultation, so you can do it anywhere. But basically, she gives you a whole palette of colors that look great on you. And I've started wearing these colors and using them for my backdrop. So, get some seamless background paper, y'all. It's just at any photography studio, and there are a ton of different colors that you can choose from that really flatter you in terms of your skin and hair and eyes and all of that, right? Because we're not actually trying to fool anyone into thinking we're at a casting office. Like, everyone knows you're at home. So you can get a seamless backdrop, or you can paint your wall and break a leg with those self-tapes. Let me know if you have any questions by commenting on the blog, and I will see you next week.